Before building any machine learning model, we must prepare and understand our data. This is where data preprocessing and exploratory data analysis come in. Why data preprocessing? Real-world data is rarely perfect. It might have missing values, duplicates, or errors. Preprocessing ensures our data is clean, consistent, and ready for analysis. Steps in data preprocessing. Data preprocessing involves 4 main steps: collecting the right data, cleaning it, transforming it, and sometimes reducing dimensions for efficiency. Data cleaning. Data cleaning focuses on handling missing values, removing duplicates, and correcting inconsistencies in the dataset. Data transformation. Transformation includes scaling numbers to a uniform range, encoding categories into numbers, and creating new features to improve model performance. What types of EDA? EDA can be univariate, analyzing one variable at a time, bivariate, exploring relationships between 2 variables, or multivariate, studying many variables together. EDA tools. We can perform EDA using Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, or use visualization tools